to go higher and further, to achieve more, to go above and beyond. That's your challenge and our mission. With unique VTOL UAS solutions from Bluebird Aerosystems. Think vertically, act differently. Bluebird's hybrid fixed-wing VTOL UAS combines the benefits of a multicopter with the advantages of a fixed-wing UAS. Unrivaled performance, reliability, redundant systems, and unique features set Bluebird VTOLs apart. They're designed for easy transport and rapid deployment, anywhere, anytime. Operated by a two-man crew with no need for a prepared area. All Bluebird UASs operate from an advanced, intuitive ground control station. High-performance single, dual, and triple sensor high-end video and photogrammetric payloads ensure high-level target detection, recognition, and identification, with real-time data fed to frontline remote video terminals. Automatic pinpoint vertical takeoff and landing result in reduced vulnerability, rapid turnaround, and lower lifecycle costs. Bluebird VTOL systems join its superior field-proven UAS solutions to meet the challenges of the homeland security, defense, and civilian markets. All Bluebird UASs feature high-performance sensors, comms, and software algorithms for diverse missions, with low acoustic, visual, thermal, and radar cross-sections for covert operations. All these attributes set Bluebird VTOLs apart, ready to take on new challenges, including emerging maritime applications. Pinpoint vertical takeoff and landing, minimal footprint, and vessel modifications vastly expand the possibilities for UAS-based intelligence gathering. Spiral development keeps Bluebird moving forward and upward, ready for today's challenges and tomorrow's. Achieve your objectives with VTOL from Bluebird Aerosystems, part of the IAI family. Think vertically. A new dawn for tactical UAS.